Hello everybody, how's your lockdown going? My name is Bheeni and I'm from Fort Pankhurst, and today I'm going to share with you how to make an accordion-styled pop-up card. For making this accordion-style pop-up card, you will need one thick piece of paper, and I folded it into a greeting card. This is going to be half of the regular size A4 paper. Next, you will need a paper that is 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter, and this is the one that you're going to fold into an accordion style. Make sure this one is not too thick, as maybe then you won't be able to fold it. After that, you will be needing a pack of glue. My glue is a normal craft glue, and also you'll be needing a pack of multicolored gel pens, just in case you want to decorate. So first up, we're going to start with a simple accordion. I'm sure most of you have made this before with your friends and family, but this time when we're going to be making it, we're going to be making it with very narrow folds, which are about 0.5 centimeter to 1 centimeter. So now I'm going to fold along the small mark that I made. Now I've made my accordion style, as you can see. So I'm going to now closing up my accordion style and fold it in half. It should look more, maybe like a fan, you can say. Now when I open it, I'm going to apply some glue onto the side. And I'm just going to fold and let my glue dry. So my fan has just dried. Now you want to open up only the sides. Don't open up the middle, otherwise the bits that you glued will start opening up. I'm going to take my fan and I'm going to glue on both sides. And also I'm going to apply a bit of glue on this middle. In my middle point, I'm going to apply this exact middle onto it, and then I'm going to slowly fold my card, and you can put this under a heavy surface such as a heavy book or a thick book, which should make the drying process quicker. Whoa, look how that pops up. You should be able to see your card pop up now. And now I've decided what the theme for my pop-up card should be. I think it should be an umbrella. So I'm going to use my pop-up style as a little umbrella, and using my black felt tip, I'm going to make a small cane down the middle. You can decorate it further if you like, and I'm going to write a funny message here for whoever reads my card. I'm going to write something like, "Rain or shine, I'll be there." Now on the other side, on one side, I'm going to make some rain. These are like rain droplets that I'm showing are going to be falling down. And now, on the other side, I'm going to make a sun. And now I'm going to just turn this around to make a little smiley face. Now here I have some cutouts of happy birthday and some hearts. I'm going to stick them on my front page to make a kind of design. This is how your accordion style pop-up card might look like at the end. Rain or shine, I'll be there.